This is tutorial 2-6, and it is how to use the definition query. We're going to be starting off with a blank map, and we're going to be adding our data, which is PA cities and counties. I'm just going to add those. Now they want us to go into the properties table for counties and change it to Pennsylvania. Counties. And they want you to go to symbology and change it from a fill color to no color. Then click OK. And then they want us to go into the properties for cities, and we're going to be going into the definition query. Now you just click on this query builder button right here, and all the items you see up here in this top box, those are fields found in the attribute table. For this one we need feature, and we want that feature to equal a unique value found just in that field. So you can type it out, but it's always best to choose it from this box. You're less likely to make an error by doing so. So you're going to click OK once selecting that choice. OK again. And as you can see, it got rid of a lot of the dots. What it did was it got rid of every dot that wasn't between 10,000 to 49,999. Just going to go back in there, and we're going to change that to population 10,000 to 49,999. And as you can see, it changes it over here. And that's how it would appear when you learn how to make legends. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on here, and we're going to just change what it looks like. The book wants us to choose circle 2, change the size to 6, and the color to ultra blue. Once again, when doing assignments, it's up to you to choose the color and symbol. Now the book wants you to do a your turn, which you have to do, and I'm going to do it real quick just because it's very important that you understand how the definition query works. So we're going to go up to add data, and we're going to add PA system cities again. And in this one, we are going to open it up, definition query, query builder. Now we're going to choose the field that says status, because we want to choose the county seats. With that done, we're going to click OK, and they give us what they want. They want square number 2 that is leaf green and size 6. Okay, and change it to, say, county seats, and OK. And as you can see, every county now has one of those green squares. Now we're going to add cities once again, and this time we're going to find the capital. So we're gonna open it up here, label it capital. We're going to definition query, query builder. We're going to use the status again, equals, get unique value, and choose state capital, county seat, then OK. Then they have a symbol that they want us to choose. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit on symbol, and rather than look through here, we're going to go up here and type in capital. Once you're done, just hit enter, and you can see that they actually have symbols made up for capitals. So we're just going to choose this one, then click OK, and as you can see, it's appeared down here. Now after this, there's another your turn, which you should do. And I'm going to actually go through and do that one as well, because there's something that the book hasn't shown you how to do but expects you to do it now. So we're going to go into add data, and we are going to choose PA cities once again, and we're going to change it to major cities. Then we're going to go to definition query, and before we were just choosing one thing. In this one, we're going to be choosing 3 cities. So we want the names of the cities. We want Erie, Philadelphia, and Pittsburgh. So we want name to equal get unique value. We want to go all the way down to the E. Choose Erie. Now, some people would think to put and because they're looking for Erie and Pittsburgh and Philadelphia. But if you were to do that, it would look for a name that had Erie in it and Pittsburgh and Philadelphia, which none of them do. So you would get no dots to appear. So we want a feature, we want a name that equals Erie, or a name equals, then go down to the P's. Philadelphia, or name equals Pittsburgh. With that done, we're going to click OK. And now they want those 3 cities labeled. So we're going to go over to labels. We're going to label these features with their name, but they want a mask on it, which is it puts a colored halo around the word to make it easier to read. And so to get to that, we're going to hit symbol, edit symbol, go up here to where it says mask, click on halo, and as you can see, it put a white background, and you can click this symbol and change the color of that. I'm going to change it to yellow. Click OK, then OK again, and I'm going to make it 10 just so it sticks out on the map more. Click OK, and OK again. And as you can see, it labeled all 3, and it put the yellow halo behind them. So that's it for definition query and how to make a halo too.